Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world, paint my world. Oh my world, oh my world, oh my world. Peterson, Peterson. Peterson, big dreams on his head. Big dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world, Peterson. You want to change their story. You want to change their story.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
See, but I wanted to apologize for what happened. I swear I didn't mean it. I didn't even... You know how we ladies are,
How are you ladies, sir? You know how we are. Say gbadun. No, sir, are you okay? Say we all right. Say you were no. I know I thought you. I know thought you were no fine. You be like USB call. That's the thing. And then by sort of, I even appreciate. If I slap your face, you go see your period 40 days in a week. Say see it. Say what pa. Ina say ba po ke ko si kuro mi ke ko we ma fo say ya. E ko si class bi. Black Calabar masquerade. How much you buy this on makeup? Eh? For the 235 no lo. We dey follow you talk. No be say we talk so. We dey follow you dey do kini. Say ba po.
This guy. Okay, so wait. Babe.
Hi, babe.
How are you?
I'm good. Busy?
Just trying to finish the script. What's this?
Positive reviews from your book.
Yes! This is what I'm talking about! Yes! Chasey. Oh my god.
Babes, so tell me, how's your new book coming along?
Well, that's what I'm trying to finish up, but bit by bit I'm going to finish it. I'm struggling with the character. Me and the character, we are struggling.
Hmm?
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, everything is fine.
You're not smiling.
And that is because sometimes you act weird.
Weird? Are you calling me crazy?
No, you didn't hear that from my lips.
I'm not crazy. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? I'm not crazy. It's the script. I mean, wait, okay. What I'm saying is they're trying to dictate their motives and visions, but I'm like, no, I'm the creator. Do you get? You are going to say whatever I want you to say. I'm not crazy. I'm talking about the script. Okay, wait. Let me explain to you then. Look at this character now. Chinedu. Can you see? So what I want to write is Chinedu is.
Babe, just hold on. I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Where are you going?
Sometimes I don't really understand you. You act so weird.
Wait, I don't get. Are you calling me crazy?
I didn't call you crazy.
No, that's what you just said. Are you saying I'm crazy?
I didn't say that, okay? You didn't get that from my lips.
So what are you insinuating? And I'm crazy.
You're acting weird, but you said you're crazy.
Am I crazy?
What's going on?
Oh, maybe he's having an argument with his characters.
Is that normal?
Normal is boring, Mom. Peterson is one of the most interesting people I know.
That's strange. Really strange.
Well, that's what has bettered those beautiful books of his making the headlines. You should be happy you have such a son.
Where are you going?
I'm taking a walk, Mom.
Are you okay?
Why is everyone asking me this question? Of course. I'm just trying to writing. Frailty of the aged transcends the frailty of the aged transcends the wait. I'm skating it. The frailty of the aged the frailty of the aged.
Are you sure it's okay?
He's fine. Okay, just visited, so you're not used to this. I've been living with him for some time, I can tell you. He's perfectly fine.
Listen, I need to get him to the church. He needs deliverance. Look, before you know it, this will get out of hand.
Okay, Mom. Now you're being paranoid.
I am not being paranoid. We need to do something.
He's fine, Mom. He's fine. He's fine. Don't worry too much. Or maybe he even got an inspiration. She never can tell.
What kind of inspiration? Did you see the way he was staring at me?
She inspired him.
Is my face so bad?
Mom!
No, he was saying something about the age and... Are the wrinkles too much?
Come on!
I need to buy a new makeup.
Hey, Mom, you know you're beautiful.
A new set of makeup and a patch everywhere.
Ah, come on, Mom, stop.
Come on, Chinedu, I'm the one creating this story. Let me write. Come on now. Come on. This thing is flowing already. Let me write these lines.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I said I'm
You
fine.
don't have to shout.
I'm not shouting.
His kingdom is part of this world. Oh my, yes, he's part of this world.
Ne, please permit me to go. Ulima and Urena must be waiting for me by now.
Well, you can go.
Okay.
I shall finish up.
I won't waste time. I know where you. I won't waste time. Ne.
Yes, I know.
Go on.
Don't stay too long.
No, I won't. Let me get my pot.
Oh. Like I said, don't stay long.
No problem.
Now who we show them light? Yeah. Now who we open their eyes?
Today you are all alone.
Unfortunately, what is the meaning of this?
Today you are all alone. There is no escaping from me.
Unfortunately, I'm warning you. Leave my way. Unfortunately, I'm warning you for the last time. Get out of my way. You're looking for my trouble, oh.
If I look for your trouble, what will happen? Eh? Let me remind you that you are here alone. Just you and I. Do you think I'm scared of you? Now listen. You see this thing you are using to do a yanga for me? I must collect it right here, right now.
Unfortunately, you're looking for... Unfortunately, you're looking... Ah! Hey, walk here. Walk.
What took you so long?
I'm so sorry. I had to help my mother with the maze. Urena,
Who is chasing you?
why is your face like this? What happened?
Is it not Ofodele?
Ofodele? What has he done this time?
He stopped me on my way and tried to force himself on me.
Ah! He did what?
Kambili! Where are you going to?
I need to teach that unfortunate boy that no one messes with us and goes scot-free.
Calm down. Your blood is too hot. But again, I'm not.
Why won't it be hot? Uli, if you do not do anything about this, these boys will take us for granted. Why?
Nobody is taking us for granted. Please, calm down. We have works at hand. Let us finish them. Then we will pay him a visit he will not forget in a hurry. You know how we do it, right? Don't you know?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I know I can always count on you, Gibbs. You don't have to thank us. We are one. Whoever touches any of us, touches all of us. But I hope he did not succeed.
No, he did not. Let's go.
That boy is very stupid. Get out of me. Okay, you know.
Break the door.
Mom. Mom, can I ask you a question?
You just did.
Do you know anything about Umayasi Kingdom?
Umayasi Kingdom. Umayasi. Well, vaguely, yes. Why do you ask?
Well, nothing. You know, I just came across the name.
All I can say is that they're bush and not civilized. They've refused to accept civilization.
Refused? Well, what do you mean refused? Or they've not got the opportunity yet?
Those people are bush, uncivilized, archaic, and primitive.
Well, the book sets him that their resistance against foreign invasion 100 years ago was so fierce which left them to their fate.
And see where it has gotten them.
See, I think these people are a set of interesting people.
What is interesting about them?
Mom, okay, see, my concern is the author is a foreigner. Huh? How can a foreigner tell us more about our own story?
Peterson, what are you getting at?
Nothing. I'm nothing. I'm just curious. Mom, just one last question. Mom, I'm serious. Just one last question, I swear.
Okay.
Where are they located?
Oh. What you think it all we are making? Well, they're located somewhere after Ogidi River. As a matter of fact, they are not even shown in the state map.
But Ogidi River is on the map, Mom.
They are not on the map.
How?
How do I know? Why are you asking all these questions? Eh? Why are you so curious? What do you want to do with the information?
Nothing, Mom. I'm just curious, like you said.
All right. You're just curious. But remember, curiosity killed the cat.
Mom, I said I'm just curious. Mom. One Zarao. That's all I would say.
I was expecting that.
Break down the door, darling. You leave outside.
Hey! Don't move!
Please, don't harm me, please. Hey! I beg you in the name of the gods. Eh?
A strong man you are. Touch one of us and you have touched all of us. And when we're done with you, you will never try it again.
Please. I swear I will not trouble any of you again. Please, I've changed.
Hey, we know. Don't we know?
Well, of course we do.
We only want to make sure you don't harass any girl again in this village. So, since your mother did not teach you how to respect women, we will.
Hey,
I'm changed though.
Beat him!
Hey!
I'm sorry.
Hey! Greetings, my prince.
Beautiful maidens of Umanyasi Kingdom. How are you and where are you headed?
We are fine, my prince. Actually, we are not really heading anywhere. We are just taking a walk.
A walk as usual.
Yes, my prince.
I see. Let me guess. That's how you guys manage to keep in shape. Look at your beautiful smiles. Anyway, let me allow you to continue your walk. I guess I shall see you all around soon.
Definitely, my friend.
Right? Okay.
Okay, my friend.
His kingdom is part of this world. Yes, is part of this world.
Ulima. Ulima. Let me tell you. If only I can see the gods one-on-one, I will make one wish. You know what the wish will be? To change your name from Ulima to Ulia Zubike.
Oh, my princess.
Do you know you're a very beautiful woman?
Thank you, my prince.
Oh, come on. You don't need to thank me. I only stated the obvious.
Darling, my prince.
Guess what?
What?
Every prince deserves a princess. Every king deserves a queen. So, I wish I would love you to be by my side as my queen when I ascend the throne of Umanyasi kingdom.
my prince. Are you asking me to marry you?
Oh, why not? What else will I be here doing if not to... That is if you agree to marry me.
Of course. I shall marry you. Which maiden will not want to marry the crowned prince?
Now that is interesting. Okay. I shall see your family very soon.
Hey.
To do the formality.
Hey, I am highly favored by the gods.
Uli.
My prince.
From now?
I'm from United.
What that team? Hi, Wanama. Okay, let me leave you. God!
His kingdom is part of this world. Yes, is part of this world. Is part of this world.
Greetings, Mazus Odima.
Greetings. What brings the palace guards to my humble abode?
We have a message for your daughter from the prince.
What message?
We shall speak with her.
Oh, I see.
Kambili.
Nah.
Please come.
Nah.
The guards from the palace, they say the prince has a message for you.
A message from the prince?
Yes. He asked that you meet him at the big udala tree immediately.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't go with you now. I'm helping my mother in the kitchen.
The prince shall not be kept waiting.
It's okay, it's okay. Kambili, you can go. Go with them. Your mother will take care of the cooking.
Oh, no.
They are wise, they are intelligent, but they lack intellectual.
Let's go.
It's okay.
After you.
Do I know where you're going? After you.
Go.
Umaya see kingdom, Umaya see kingdom, his kingdom is part of this world.
What could be the matter with her?
Do I know? Why are you upset? That the prince asked to marry you, is that not a good thing?
A good thing, you say?
Yes.
Who doesn't know Prince Azubike in this village? He is never ready for marriage. All he does is to go around the village deceiving maidens with promises of marriage and ends up throwing them away like rags. Mama, I can never fall into his trap. Never will I.
Then why are you angry? Since you do not want to marry him.
I am angry because he tried to touch me, Mama. He tried to have his way with me.
What? Did he touch you?
Oh, of course not, Mama. I ran as fast as I could.
Good.
That prince is an animal. What baffles me is that he does all sorts and then he gets away with them. No one questions his actions. It's very, very painful, Mama. It is.
My daughter. They say no one is above the law. But you and I know that the law only protects the rich. Yes. Just go to the kitchen and take your food. Okay?
Mama, he spoiled my mood.
It's okay, calm down. Calm down, go and take your food. Let me check. This mat is dry by now. Let me even...
Always late, always late.
That's your sister for you.
You make me late now.
Yeah, come on. I thought you were going with your car.
My car?
Yes.
No, Mom. Sarah will drop me at the car park, then I will take public transport. Mom, you want me to go with my car? Please, I will come back with one tire.
All right. Okay. Please, since you have decided to go with your car, and you've decided to go to that wherever, may the good Lord go with you.
Amen, Mom. And you too.
Peterson, I am not traveling.
Hey, you're not traveling? I thought you were going with me, Mom. Okay, the Lord be with you.
Why don't you get serious for once?
Mommy, I'm going to miss you. Mommy, Mommy, anybody kò ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀, I follow you. Akọ́lápá kó sẹ́nu trailer, àrùn tiwẹ̀. Mommy, I'm going to miss you. Love you, Mom. Let's go.
Oh, I'm coming.
Mom, bye.
Have a safe trip. Be good. Be good, Peterson.
I will.
Look at what she's doing.
You like him?
Safe, son.
What's wrong with this one now? Go back. What's wrong with you, sir? Why are you the one going to my house?
I'm sorry.
So why not?
Get your certificate.
I carry the bag, Joe.
Okay, bye. Oh my God. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Now I can finally make a call.
Ure mama lobi mu. Ure biamu nso ni fananya nwalo nobu chokonye lani. Ure biamu nso ayana mu. You don't have to be shy. Come to me. Huh?
I am not really shy, my friends.
What is the problem?
You are here to come see my parents as promised.
I am the crown prince of Umanyasi kingdom. My word is my bond.
I understand, my prince. Since we will still get married, we don't need to rush things. Please.
You are soon to be my wife, so you don't need to be bothered.
Soon I shall be your wife, and you will own me forever. I think it's worth the wait. Please, my prince.
Hooray. Okay, if you insist, I shall come and see your parents in 4 market days.
Ezeku.
Yes. Now come to me. Come to me. Anytime your body comes close to me, there is different... You know what? I shall come in 3 market days.
Thank you, my prince.
You are the most beautiful maiden in this community.
Ezeku.
Yes. Hi. In fact, I'll come in 3 market days. No need of waiting.
My prince, I can't wait.
No need of waiting. Give my regards to your parents.
Thank you so much, my prince. I can't wait, my prince.
Hurry home. Guards!
Thank you, my prince. Bye-bye, my prince.
His kingdom is part of this world.
Guess what, girls?
What?
You are looking at the next princess of Umayasi kingdom.
And what are you talking about?
The prince has asked me to marry him.
Which prince are you talking about?
Princess Ubike, of course.
You are joking, right?
How can I joke with a thing like this? He said he's coming to see my people in the next Eke market day. Assume you're joking, right?
Ure, I thought you are my friend.
Of course I'm your friend.
Hold on. No, why stab me in the back?
Hold on. Something is not right here. What is going on? What are you talking about?
What is not right here is that Ure, my friend, is trying to take my man away from me. What are you doing with the prince?
Osnogin, I was with the prince yesterday, and he was all over me. I don't even need to tell you that he wants to marry me. So, what is your problem?
I have a good news for you. The prince is coming to see my people very soon. So, get ready.
Ulimba. Hey. Remember, there's nothing you not see. So you are one of those girls that force themselves on the prince with the hope of marriage. Mane Daya. The prince has made his choice, and that person is me. Noah.
Let me tell you, the prince is mine and mine alone. So go and get yourself another man. I'm not the prince.
Wait, we just calm down. You should just calm down.
Hey.
Something is not right here, and we need to sort it out. Which prince are you talking about?
The prince of this land.
Onima, Onima,
because
leave the prince alone.
See this one, no? Am I jogging with the prince with you or what? You better go and warn her. Go and warn her. Kambili, why did you call me out today? Please make it fast. I need to go and see the prince.
The prince?
Yes, the prince. Are you expecting someone? Kambili, what is the meaning of this?
You didn't tell me she was going to be here.
Relax. Calm down. It's time for you to calm down and listen to me. I mean, what is wrong with you two? What? I don't understand it. We've been friends since childhood. We grew up together and we have always seen ourselves as sisters. We've been through difficulties, through so many things together, and we always came out victoriously. That is because we are together. Togetherness. And now, we are having problems among ourselves because of what? Because of a man.
No, he is not just a man. He is the prince of this land. And my supposed friend here is trying to steal him away from me.
You are the one that is trying to take him away from me. But I will not let you.
You're a big liar. Let me tell you, the prince is coming to see my people very soon.
I don't like what you're doing. Why are you shouting?
Pa, Kamili, please. You have to listen to me.
Listen to you for what?
Tell her to stay away
from me. You are not making any point.
I am. Tell her to stay away
from me. You have to calm down. You have to listen to me now.
No, you listen to me.
No, you will.
Stop forcing yourself
you
on the
will.
prince.
You will, Uli. You will.
Yes. Stop forcing yourself on the prince. Yes.
I am way too big for that.
Oh, really?
You are the one throwing yourself at him.
Leave the prince alone. Kamili, tell her to leave the prince
alone.
alone.
Please shut up.
Leave him alone.
Can you ask yourself a question? The prince that you're talking about proposed to you and also proposed to her. No. Don't you ask yourself a reasonable question? What kind of a man is that? Are you here shouting?
You don't get it. The prince proposed to me. And instead of her to be happy for me, she's here trying to spoil things for me.
Look at what is look at what you're doing. Now, can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? What if I tell you that the same prince you are fighting over also proposed to me? What? You heard me. He proposed to me and I turned him down because I know I could see through his lies and deceit. Yes, you heard me. The prince proposed to me and I turned him down because I could see through his lies and deceit. I mean, who doesn't know Prince Azubike in this village? What he does is to go about deceiving young ladies because he wants to have his way with them. I am so disappointed. So disappointed that you two could fall for this. Really disappointed. What's all this? Are you here shouting and making noise?
You know what? I cannot stand here and watch you speak this rubbish. You are supposed to be happy for me. Rubbish.
You are lying. Nonsense.
Hi. What has come over them? Ah. It shall never be well with this prince.
Can't believe. For the last time, where are we going to?
Can you just keep calm and follow me? Don't worry yourselves. Come with me. I need to show you something very important. And after today, you can do whatever you like. Come with me.
You better be important.
I said follow me. Come on.
I wish to get pregnant for the prince of this land. I can't wait to be the next queen of Umaya's kingdom.
Gambili, what are we doing here?
Bring your voice down. Shh. Now look. Hey, are you seeing it? Where are you going? Where are you going? To confront him, of course. What's the need? That will be a fruitless venture. I just want you to see the person you've been fighting yourselves over. Have you seen him? Have you seen where he is enjoying with another maiden? Did you see it?
Uremma. Uli, what did I tell you? He is not worth it at all. He is not. Kambili, I cannot believe I almost offered him my body. Almost. That was all he wanted and nothing more. I thank the gods that you were smart enough not to have given him your body. He's so wicked. Very, very wicked. How can he destroy a friendship that we share? A friendship we've had over the years. We can be so foolish. Foolishness. It's because we like men too much. My dear, if we don't like men, who are we supposed to like? Are we supposed to like our fellow women? The thing is that some men are very stupid. They think they are smart. But when they try this kind of rubbish, we should show them that we are smarter than they are. That's what we do. That man is very stupid. He's not even handsome at all. With his big nose. Even this tree has ears. Do not allow anyone to hear what you just said. Nobody will. Watch your mouth. Hey!
Timid people, backward people, uncivilized people, Maya's the kingdom.
Hello, how are you?
What? Timo!
No, don't go! Maybe she saw snake. Don't run! Hello? Hello? Hello, I'm new here. I don't know my way. Can you show me around? Hello?
just left. What is it? I don't know. I saw one man. I don't know. He looks so strange. I've never seen that kind of person before. I don't know. I don't know who he is. Are you sure about it? I don't know. Hey! Wait! Let's go! Hey, Ure, maybe he came from the land of the gods. What could he be doing in the land of the mortals, Kwan?
How will I know?
I don't know.
Maybe he lost his way. Or he came with a message.
Hey, if that's the truth, then we are doomed. We are finished. Can go here.
We are sorry, revered God.
Please, forgive us. Forgive us, your poor maidens. We do not know what we are doing. Biko, please, do not bring your anger upon us. Biko, we got the knuckle. Hey,
you may rise. Your sins are forgiven.
Thank you, revered God. Thank you.
The gods are angry.
Hey!
Kneel down. You, what is your name?
Ulimma.
And you?
My name is Urema.
Yes.
I have been walking for 5 days. No food, no water. I am hungry. I want to eat. Do you have jollof rice?
What is njoko?
Do you have goats? The god wants goat. Full goat. Full chicken. The god wants to eat. I want
goat and chicken. The gods want to eat chicken and big goat and big rat. Chicken. Where are you taking me? Shut up. Help! Shut up. Hey, God, wait till I can't do police. I won't go use my thing to do suya. Help! Help! Oh, help! Oh, Jesus! Help! Hey, God! I know be God. I'm not being God, please. Help! Hey, I don't enter that. I can't find a single thing about these people on the internet.
That's probably because they don't exist.
Of course they do. They've just been forgotten.
Why do you think so? Look around you, Peterson. This is 21st century.
So?
People, cultures, traditions have evolved. I don't think there are still people walking around dressed in caveman style.
This is not caveman style, for crying out loud, Zara. Besides, if they don't exist, the author wouldn't have written anything about them.
This book is about 60 years old.
And so?
Okay, let's take for an argument's sake that they actually exist. That must have been 100 years ago. They might have migrated or mixed with other people or been completely wiped out of existence by a plague or something.
Whatever. That is why I intend to find out myself.
By going to a place you know nothing about?
Zara, see, this is going to help me. Huh? It is going to help my book. That is why I'm doing this.
Why don't you fabricate something? Isn't that what you writers do? They fabricate. Make something unreal to be real.
See, Zara, to an extent you are right. But this kind of book, I am writing a story about a people and locale. It has to be original. Don't you get?
Okay. Let's say you're right. She know Mom won't allow you go anywhere. I don't even want to imagine what Sylvia would do.
See, they have no choice. Okay? This is my life. Huh? This is my profession. They have no choice. I'm not a kid. Okay. Wait, you don't get it yet, do you? Zara, I'm writing a story about a people that the world believe they don't exist at all. Do you get? See, okay, wait, see. Just imagine, say, this book where they write now, after I don't make all this research, everything where they talk about, they write. Say these people really exist. Zara. You think I don't blow be that now. And my audience, they will definitely like this. You know what I'm talking? See, you can't understand. Don't worry. May I finish waiting I do. I beg.
Okay. Okay, I think Mom was right.
Right about what?
You are a little...
It's your brother that is mad.
Oh, exactly.
You are mad.
Calm down. Okay, what's
going on here?
What's that?
Your son has lost it.
Lost what? Lost what?
A sister.
Oh, you see, he's crazy. How dare you? How dare you?
I'm sorry, Mom. It was just a slip of tongue.
Oh, rather a slip of manners.
Exactly, her manners. And I will use the slippers.
Stop it!
Sorry. Mom, no problem. I knew you were going to support her. That's what you have to say. No problem.
Peterson, kilo day.
Mom, can you see what she's doing behind me? Can you see?
You don't want watch what you're doing.
She's doing like this. Me, Abi.
But her tongue is not that long now.
It's short, like.
Stop it. Babe, I won't let you embark on this journey.
Babe,
I won't.
See, I have to.
And then fine, I'll go with you.
You are going nowhere. You said it yourself. I don't even know where I'm going.
Then where are you going then? If you don't know where you're going to.
Babe, see, I know this is going to help my research. So you know about this. Come on.
Babe, your career is already a successful one. For Christ's sake, PTC, you are known all over the states.
Exactly. All over the states, right? What about all over the continent? What about all over the world? Come on, babe. This is an opportunity I shouldn't miss at all. You are supposed to be telling me, oh yeah, babe, pack your load and start going. You are not meant to be telling me all this. Come on.
And if you don't succeed?
I will. How do you say that?
Babe, it is dangerous.
Babe, listen. It's not dangerous. Okay? See, this is intriguing. And it's also adventurous. I'm going to love it.
I can see I can talk you out of this, right?
Exactly, babe. So save your strength. Come on, help me pack so I can be fast.
I can also see that I mean nothing to you. My happiness means nothing to you.
Babe, come now. Babe!
Umaya see kingdom, Yerema, Umaya see kingdom, Yerema, His kingdom is part of this world. Umaya is part of this world. Veshiranenu, Yerema, Veshiranenu, Yerema. Is part of this world.
Ghana, wow, now so this road bad like this.
Bad one.
Ha!
Bad one.
It's part of this world. Umayas is part of this world. Veshiranenu, Veshiranenu. Umayas is part of this world.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I beg.
Umayas kingdom. Umayas kingdom. His kingdom is part of this world. Umayas is part of this world. Veshiranenu, Veshiranenu.
Yes! 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 Okay. Okay, I beg. Okay, I know they around this area. I beg now. Eh? Yes.
Timid people, backward people, uncivilized people. Umayas kingdom. Umayas kingdom. His kingdom is part of this world. Umayas is part of this world. Veshiranenu, Veshiranenu. Umayas is part of this world.
Gbogbo wàhálà mi já sásán wa. Mo dẹ̀ ní kí n má wá sí ibà torí Ọlọ́run nǹkan tí mo kóra mi sí ibà. Ah!
That's the language of the gods. I think he's communicating with them. My king, you're in a very big problem.
No, that's
What are you saying?
Sir, that's not what I said. I said I like everybody here. The way I'm looking at you, I love the cap, the shower cap, the crown. I love everything you are wearing. That's what I said. Quiet!
Do you realize you're kneeling before the king of Umanya's kingdom?
I'm not
Did you just call my father Otiku?
Otiku? I did not say Otiku. I did not say Otiku.
What did you say?
That's not what I said. I said you look like one of my friends in the big city. Tunji, that's what I said. That's what I said.
Young man.
My king.
You remind me of the men that my father used to tell us in stories.
Yes, my
The
king.
difference is that they had skin as white as Unzu.
Yes, my king, that's what I'm saying. I'm just like you.
So where did you come from?
My king, I come from Lagos, from the big city.
And where is that?
My king, it's very far away from here. Very far. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Far away. What are you called?
My name is Peterson Oyenusi.
Impetency? Onyonsi?
Kini? It's not Impetency Emma Waboki. It's not Impetency Peterson Oyenusi. What did you do? So Oyenusi is a Yoruba name. My father is Yoruba and my mother is Igbo. Just same tribe as you. She's Igbo.
You mean we have people of our tribes where you come from?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. They are everywhere. They are scattered everywhere in different clans, different communities, and different groups. That's what I'm saying.
And here we think we are the last of our kind.
They are everywhere.
So, young man.
My king.
How did you know about us?
In a book, my king. I'm making a research about Umanyasi. Yes, my king.
A book, you said?
Yes, my king. People in the big city don't even know this place exists.
We do not blame them. Neither do we know about their own existence. But young man,
My king.
why have you come?
Thank you, my king. I'm a storyteller, so I came to make research about this place so I can go to the big city and tell the story to people in the big city so they can know more about Umanyasi.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
Because the way I'm looking at your eyes, the way you're roving...
It's okay, my son, it's okay.
Young man,
My king.
your mission is a good one.
Thank you, my king.
You are welcome to our land.
We will give you a hut to stay as long as you want.
A hot, my king, sorry, like that one over there. My king, is there a hotel around? I can lodge. I have money.
What is hotel?
My king, don't worry. I will stay there.
What is that your name again?
Peterson.
Peterson. Peterson.
Peterson, sir.
Peterson. Okay. I can now remember.
Some time ago, very long time ago, the missionaries came and they taught us their language, the English language.
But why they left, we do not know. Nevertheless,
young man,
my king,
I will give you a hut to stay as long as you want.
My king, thank you very much. Peterson is grateful, sir.
Father, my son, are you sure you're doing the right thing? Calm down. Calm down. I'm doing the right thing.
I would rather call you big city man.
That is fine, my king.
Do your research, you know, read all the books, no problems. You know, go well. But your love for book, and not Bakamisi. Your love for story, and Bakamisi. Yeah. Do your research, you know, read your books.
I can see you. I can see you. Come outside. Come outside. I can't hide. Why are you guys hiding? So nice to see you guys again.
Greetings, big city man.
Which one is big city man? So I'm no longer the revered one.
You lied to us.
Yes.
I did not lie to you. You guys made the assumption, so I just played along.
So, you're not angry at us?
For what now, Abba? See, I shouldn't have sneaked on you the way I did. Anyone could have freaked out.
What is this?
This is a computer.
Kogini?
Computer. Okay, see, come. Let me show you something.
Hey!
It shock you?
Wait. Is this pure people going when they die?
I'm sorry. These are living people. These people are not dead though. This is just a video of the big city, yes.
Okay. What is this one? What is that?
Okay, wait. This is a car. It is, like people drive when they drive a car to move from one place to another. Do you understand?
Big city man. Please. I want to enter inside and greet those people.
Oh yeah, enter now. Put your name. Enter.
Hey. Big city man, I like it too.
You want to go there?
Yes.
You want to go to the big city?
Yes, I want to go to the big city. Yes, I enter that.
So you leave your people here. Follow me.
We have lived there all our lives. So if we go to the big city, it will be fine.
Yes. Okay, but wait, you guys have to show me around.
It's not a problem.
Oh yeah, now if you guys agree, no problem. You show me. I sure. Yeah. Hey, come here. No, it's fine.
Biggie dreams on his head. Biggie dreams on his head. She went to paint this world. Peter Sin, you want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peter Sin, in the one you carry. Peter Sin, in the one quarter bed. Peter Sin, in the one you carry. In the one quarter bed. Peter Sin, do your research, read all the books, no problems. You know go well. But your love for book, and not Bakamisi. Your love for story, and Bakamisi. Yeah. Do your research,
This is where we used to dance. Yes.
To dance here?
Yes.
So you guys can dance?
Yes.
Wait. Are you kidding me? You can dance? Yeah, show me. I want to see you dance. I want to see you dance. Yes, let me see. Let me show you.
What are you doing?
Let me see. I'm dancing.
You're shooting God.
Take your leg like this.
Hey, like this.
You stand like this. It's like let's go.
You want to?
Hey, let's go. Please show me more.
Greetings.
Good day, my prince.
Greetings.
Good day, my prince. Sorry, my prince, please, can I take a picture? I love the way you're looking. Smile, my prince. Oh, I love that.
Yeah. This way, please.
Paint my world. Paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world. Paint my world.
Alright, let's go. Smile. Yes. Another one. No. Are you greeting the king? I don't want you to do like this. I want you to do something, something sexy, something fun, like look at the camera and smile. Okay?
Okay.
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world, paint my world. Oh my world, oh my world, oh my world. Peter sing, Peter sing, Peter sing, Peter sing. Biggie big dreams on his head. Biggie dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peter sing, you want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peter sing, in the one you carry. Peter sing, in the one quarter bed. Peter sing, in the one you carry. In the one quarter bed. Peter sing, do your research, you know how. Read all the books, no problems. You know go kwa. But your love for book, and I baka me see. Your love for story, and baka me see. Yeah. Do your research, you know how. Read your books, no problem. Write your papers, you know how. Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world, paint my world. Oh my world, oh my world, oh my world. Peter sing, Peter sing, Peter sing, Peter sing. Big dreams on his head. Big dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peter sing, you want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peter sing, in the one you carry. Peter sing, in the one quarter bed. Peter sing, in the one you carry. In the one quarter bed. Peter sing, do your research, you know how. Read all the books, no problems. You know go kwa. But your love for book, and I baka me see. Your love for story, and baka me see. Yeah. Do your research, you know how. Read your books, no problem. Write your papers, you know how.
I'm almost done now. Just give me a few minutes. Finish everything now. And yes.
Do
you like it?
See. Hey, we look so beautiful.
Of course. Share the wine, Mini. See, you are the most beautiful girls I've ever seen in my life.
You have an idea, man.
Are you serious? I'm serious. Now guess what? When I'm done with this picture, I'm going to use it as my book cover.
We love it. Hey. Otto. Look at me.
You know what? I'm going to use this picture for my book cover when I'm done.
Big city man.
Yes?
We want you to tell us a story about the big city.
Where do you want me to start from?
Tell us about the people.
Your people, the way they dress, it's very, very strange.
Strange.
Yes.
Strange? Wait, did you say strange?
Even your own dressing.
So I'm strange like this?
Yes.
So what will you say? See, let me tell you people, if you get to the city, they will find you strange because the way you are dressed, you are dressed like a masquerade.
Hi.
Yes, in the big city.
But big city man, you just told us that we are the most beautiful girls you have ever seen. Why are you calling us masquerade?
No, I'm not calling you masquerade. I'm just saying the way you are dressed. I'm not talking about your facial.
Our masquerade don't dress like this. Our masquerade don't dress like this.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. You guys are beautiful. See, let me shock you. You girls, 3 of you, you are the big city. Come on, you guys are beautiful. It's plenty. It's plenty. Stand up. Show me your full beauty. Hey! See. 3 of you, you are the big city.
Uli.
Greetings, my friends.
How are you?
I am fine.
You kept me waiting. What happened?
I am so sorry. My father sent me on an errand.
It's okay. The most important thing is that you're here already.
Yes.
You're looking beautiful today.
Thank you, my prince.
So, can we just
Greetings, my friend. Prince Azubike.
What is going on? I thought you came alone.
Yes. Well, I thought it is wise to see us together, since we'll be seeing them privately after seeing me. Besides, we're going to be co-wives, and you've proposed marriage to all of us.
What are you talking about?
What she's trying to say is that we know the game you're playing in this village. You have successfully deceived so many maidens, and we cannot be deceived. We are smarter than you are, my prince.
My prince, we are not interested in you.
So you just want to ridicule me? Do you realize you're speaking to the crown prince of Umayya's kingdom?
Of course we do, my prince. And that is why we have respectfully come to plead with you to leave us alone. You cannot destroy our friendship. You cannot, my prince. Please, leave us alone.
Biko, Rapwanyaga.
Let's go.
We are not interested in you.
I am the crown prince of Umayya's kingdom. And the custom and tradition of this kingdom demand I can marry as many wives as I want. Because I just want to do you all favor. It's just a favor after all. How did this happen? How did they get to know?
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world, paint my world.
Where do you think you are running to?
Mama, me.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ozunwoke?
I did not run, no. I didn't run.
You are running for maidens.
The gods forbid I should run for maidens in this village.
Shut up! Toothless bulldog.
Mama, it is very clear that you don't know the type of son you gave birth to. Honestly, it is. Because if you know, you would have known that Abumago I'm a lion. In fact, if I get angry here, I will crush 3 of them with one hand. Yes, now.
You will crush them. Okay.
Come, eh?
Ofo, they are coming.
Hey.
You will crush them. Look at you. Take this cutlass.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? Eh? I don't like this. What type of place?
His kingdom is part of this world. Oh my, yes, it's part of this world. Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world. Paint my world. Oh my world. Oh my world. Oh my world. Peter sing, Peter sing. Peter sing, Peter sing. Big dreams on his head. Big dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peter sing, you want to change their story.
Kambili. Hey!
Mama.
What were you thinking? That you almost let the food get burnt?
Kambili, I'm so sorry, Ne.
You're so sorry.
So sorry.
Kambili, come. Are you alright?
Yes, Ne. I'm fine.
Are you sure you are fine?
Yes.
Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Your father is very hungry. Bring the plate.
Oh, sorry, Ne.
That reminds me. The prince was here earlier.
To do what exactly?
To talk with your father. I don't really know what they talked about, but I think it has something to do with you. But don't worry yourself. I shall find out from your father. Let's give him food first.
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it
Mami water. Okpo. It's plenty. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
I'm fine. What did you bring for me?
I brought you fruits.
What is for me?
Yes.
What have I done to deserve this? Thank you very much. Thank you. Shit. You like this?
Yes.
And this. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright.
Please make it brighter.
Hey!
My big city man. PTC.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Actually, it's just forget this.
Me.
With all this for me? Hey! You people will kill me in this village, oh. It's not my birthday. What a hey! Hey!
Please, you shouldn't just be eating anything you see. This is for you. This is for you.
Okay, no, you know what? I will eat this one before I eat this one. Thank you.
Oh?
Are you going?
I'll go. I'll come back later.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why don't you stay a bit longer? All right.
Bye.
Bye. See you later, eh? Hey. When I'm saying on my birthday. Wait.
I brought you fresh from wine and bushmeat.
It is finished. Hey. Wait. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Bushmeat. I know you will like it.
Bushmeat?
Yes.
For me?
Of course.
Come on, did you guys plan it? Because your friends brought this and I'm not even... I don't know where I'm going to be done with this before I now start eating your own.
My friends brought...
Yes, they just left. Any problem?
No. But I think you should eat this one first. Maybe there's poison in this one.
Poison? Why?
I'm telling you, those girls, you can't trust them. I think there's poison. They poisoned this food.
Are you serious?
Yes, so don't even touch it at all.
Why would they want to poison me?
I don't know. That's how they are. Don't touch the food.
Thank you for telling me this.
Let me help you.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. It's fine. Don't worry. I'll figure it out.
Thank
you very much.
I shouldn't take them away.
No, it's fine. I'll figure it out.
Don't touch it at all.
No problem.
Make sure you eat this one.
Of course I will. I'm hungry, Save. I'm going to eat
now.
this one first.
I made it specially for you.
No problem. Thank you. Bye. No, it's fine. Don't worry.
It's a fresh palm wine.
I will take care of it. Thanks.
And bushmeat. Don't touch this one.
No, it's fine. Don't worry.
At all. I don't want you to die.
I will not die. Die, go. Die. Which one is die? Sure is that you do as if you don't know that. These 3 girls, they will kill me before this poison self kill me. This jealousy, which one is poison? Not today. The poison for we go shop the poison and everything is. If I won't die, let me die. Ah! Oh! I just knew it. When my mind was telling me, go to this village. This is the right village. Poison call. Poison kill you there. Ah! Let the poison kill me.
What's a negi galone? Nandongoli. Nangongolio. Nangongoli. What's a negi galone? Nangongoli. Nangongolio. Nangongoli. Ogalokahi mengo. Nangongoli. Nangongolio. Nangongoli. Ogali neti feneli yonwa. Nangongoli. Nangongolio. Nangongoli. Onata shano mubodo chineva gapaka. Apaka uke. Shano mubodo chineva gapaka. Apaka uke. Shano mubo mpapa di n'igwe ndori ma. Ndondo. Shano mubo vuro woloso ndori ma. Ndondo. Okwanu nkete mgbe na evuru ngu. Ndondo. That was nice. Wow. You like it? Yes. No, it's your turn. It's your turn. Where is your turn? No, why are you like this?
I saw you with Amadi the other day. What are you doing with him?
It's true.
Amadi.
Yeah? Ure, don't even try to deny it this time. Because we saw you.
We saw you. Don't deny it. Listen, for your own information, Amadi is a womanizer.
Oh.
I don't want him to hurt my sister.
I don't have anything to do with Amadi.
Makando.
Ure. Just be careful.
I've heard you. Please, you better hear.
Whatever.
Hey, let's dance again.
I have a whole lot to do, please.
Yes. I remember my father sent me to go and get him some herbs. I have to start going now. I'll see you guys later.
Me too. I have some errands to run.
Oh.
Abaka uke. Abaka uke. Where are people going to? No, I'll see you too. Okay, I'll see you guys. Don't go to his house again. What are you doing here?
Ulima.
Urenkita, is this your father's hut?
Is this your mother's hut?
So... Go. Hey, come. You don't need to hide though. I saw you.
What do you mean by that? Is this your father's hut? Is this the herbs you said we were going to get for your mother?
I didn't know that this place is not your house.
No one is impotency hut your hut?
What are you people doing here?
Is impotency
your hut?
Is it your father's hut? Is it your father's hut?
Hello. How are you? You guys are looking so beautiful. I'm sorry. You know, I was hearing voices. I was like, the king did not tell me that people are coming to play football in front of my house.
No.
I didn't know it. You're welcome. You know, I'm very happy that you came. You know what? You want to sit down? You can.
No, the seat inside will be better.
No. You want to sit inside? Just 50. I'm coming now. Hey. You know what? I'm coming.
Okay.
Sit down. He said we should sit. How does one get to your big city?
To the big city. Well, yeah, if you must know, it's an Herculean task.
Eku. I don't understand what you mean.
Don't worry. Let me come that to you. If they say Herculean, means it's a difficult thing, but it's not impossible.
Okay, but you've not explained very well. How can one get there?
See, if you want to get to the big city, you have to walk 3 days to Ogidi River. Then from Ogidi River, you now cross over with canoe. Then from there, another 2 days walk before you can see cars going to the big city. Yes.
Big city. Me, I will just remain in this village.
Me too. I cannot go through such stress.
Mr. Pitanse, I am not trying to say that you did a bad thing by coming to our village. But if this is actually how we're going to get to the big city, then I must tell you that it is not worth it.
No. Don't get me wrong. It's not a difficult thing, no. See, what I'm saying is, by the time I'm done writing this book, the government will be compelled to build roads so that cars can come in here freely. That's all. Yes.
What is government?
Yes. Okay, well. Government are the people who lead, you know, like your king and his cabinet. Yes, the prince.
Only?
Yes, now.
I understand it.
So they will be able to build roads so that people can come to your village and go freely. It's not.
I will not go to.
You not go to the city.
Until then, we will remain here.
So are you scared of going to the big city? You enjoy it though. The city is very fine.
What are you both trying to do?
What do you mean?
I mean back there. Throwing yourself shamelessly like she-goat on heat.
Oh, I see. And you? What did you go there to do?
I went to see how he was faring.
Do you know you're a fool? In fact, you're so stupid. You went to see how he's faring. Hey! Well, maybe this is your way of telling him how cheaply available you are.
Kambili, warn her. Warn her, you're looking for my trouble.
See, let me tell you. Leave my impotency alone. Leave my big city man. Leave him alone. Leave the big city man alone. Onyala, leave my city man alone.
You're warning me?
Yes.
What will you do?
What will you do? I will teach you a lesson.
What is it? It has not gotten to this now. Oh, I know that you like him. But allow him to be the one to choose.
No.
Why are you here fighting like co-wives?
Mba, he has to choose me.
Allow him to do the choosing.
No, he must choose me.
Who is that? Even you can't believe. Hey, you think I don't know your plan? I saw when you took food to him now. And I hope you did not put love potion in that food. Yes, you have me to contain.
Babim! Ogonodo. What's the meaning of that? Urena, Biko Babim. Ogonodo. What's the meaning of this? Why are you sounding as if you own him? Is he your husband?
Yes, I own him. Big city man is mine. I saw him first and I told you both. So stay away from him. And do not say I did not want you.
You never told me you're the CEO of our time. I am the God. I am the first of him. Oh!
Mazu Zadema, you don't need to bother yourself. Let me tell you, this is little to compare to what I'm going to give you when your daughter finally becomes my wife. Eh? So just don't bother yourself. It's nothing.
My prince, don't worry. She is your wife now.
I trust you.
Don't just worry. She is your wife.
I'm not worried because I know you are a responsible man.
Thank you.
Give my regards to her wish.
I will. I will.
Papa,
Welcome, my daughter.
who brought all this?
The prince brought it. He said he is interested in you.
And what did you tell him?
That I will talk with you when you return.
Papa, please, you have to return these gifts.
Why?
Because I'm not interested in the prince and I will never be.
Kambili, listen to me. Do you know the importance of being married to a crowned prince?
Papa, I don't know. And I don't get to know. The thing is that I don't want the prince. Take all this thing back to him. I don't want him.
Kambili, I am your father. I will not lead you into something that will destroy you.
Oh, Papa, don't you understand me? I don't want the prince. Is it by force? I don't want him.
Now listen to me. Whether you like it or not, you must marry the prince.
And I said no, Papa. I will not marry the prince.
So you are exchanging words with me?
I don't want to marry the prince.
Can you look at Kambili?
Thank you.
So,
It is called Okpa, our local delicacy.
yeah.
Yes.
I hope I will like it too.
That's what I want. I want you to enjoy it. I specially made it for you.
Eh?
Mm.
So it's very... this is moi now.
No, it's not moi moi. It's Okpa. Yes.
Okpa.
Eh.
So am I supposed to eat it with palm oil or...
No, just like this.
Eh.
Just eat it. You will like it. Okay. Just have a bite.
Wow.
You like?
This... I like... I love! It's very delicious.
I'm glad you like it. I took out my time to prepare this specially for you.
Thank you.
Yes. Mr. Petansi, when will you be returning to the big city?
When is Petansi or there?
Yeah. Okay, is the Ode added to Pitake Ode? Okay, Mr. Petansi Ode.
It's Peterson. Peterson, not in Petansi. Peterson. Oh yeah, say Peterson.
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 That is...
Okay, when will you be returning to the big city?
Very soon.
Won't you like to take me with you?
You want me to take you to the city? You want to follow me? But what about your people?
Don't worry about my mother. I know how to handle her. I can handle my parents.
And your friends?
Please do not tell them about this. They don't want to go, so I do not want them to discourage me either.
You know, I actually like your friends, but I think you are more interesting.
You like me?
Of course. You like me.
I like you too.
You like me too.
But let me allow you to enjoy your meal. I shall return later to collect the plate.
But why don't you stay a bit longer?
Don't worry. I want to run errands for my mother, so I'll come back much later. Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Petansi.
Peterson.
I will see you.
Alright, no worry. Later.
Oh.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh no, wow! This Evitancy. Hey, come, what? Mr. Evitancy.
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, paint my world, paint my world.
Kambili!
Greetings.
Are you coming out from the hut of that man from Big City?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Kambili? So this is the reason you turned down my proposal?
I do not have any interest in you, my prince. That is the truth. Besides, the man from the big city is a gentleman.
Quiet!
He's nothing like you, my prince. Excuse me.
Mr. Peterson. Oh boy. Fine girl. Opa. Opara. My prince. Welcome, sir. Sorry, welcome, your highness. My prince.
PTC or PTC or whatever they call you. You think you can come from nowhere and take away all that belongs to me?
My prince, I don't understand what you're
saying. I'm talking about the maidens. The maidens! Nobody eats the food that is made for the gods and live to tell the story.
My prince, I don't understand what you're talking about.
I will teach you a lesson that you will not forget in a hurry.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I'm talking about the maidens. The maidens! I see that. The place where you came from, you do not have respect for your crown prince. That is, if you have one.
But my prince...
Yes!
My prince, let me... I did not touch the maidens. I did not touch the maidens, my prince. I swear. I did not touch anybody. I've been here eating alone. I did not touch anybody, my prince.
You just enjoying the food.
No, my prince, I bought it from the market.
Now I want to ask you. Which of them did you sleep with? Which of them have you touched?
Say the maidens. I did not touch anybody, my friend. I did not touch anybody. I did not touch anybody. I've been inside since. I did not touch anybody.
Don't lie to me.
No, none of them. None of them. None of them, my prince. I did not touch anyone.
Did you touch that one, Dad?
Which one? Say the one that has it. No, I
did not touch her.
I did not touch her. I did not touch her, I swear. Is it not the one that... I did not touch her, I swear.
Don't lie to me.
My prince, I'm not lying. I did not touch any of them.
Bring him down.
Thank you, my prince.
Don't thank me. I want you to leave this kingdom and never return. If you try, let me tell you what I will do to you. I am going to kill you, cut your body in parts, bury half here, throw half in the evil forest, so that if you come in your next life, you will not know the road to this kingdom.
My prince, I'm sorry. To market is to leave. Where will I book Uber? Oh, this prince don't know me, oh. You don't know me. Just thank God say I don't even did the mood to fight today. You will see what I for do for you. Me. Me say I'm mad. I for tell that your other skirt where you wear. You want go. Every time I go, hey, this you
You will come again. 2-2. 1-2. 3. Oh. Yeah! Son. See, your priest doesn't know me. Oh. He does not know me at all. All this one I'm doing, I'm just doing gentle. If I vex, that palace, I will just go there like this. 50 liters of fuel. I'll pour it, I'll burn everywhere in this village. I'm telling you, it's because of you. Because I know after that now, they will arrest you. You understand what I'm saying? See, as I am, I'm a very calm person. But when I get angry, when I get mad, your priest, he doesn't know me. Oh. You know, he's not even fit. Is it me wants to fight? Me that. Hey, see, this is not a laughing matter. See, forget that one.
Hey, Petansi, please calm down. Oh, calm down.
See, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, why?
Because I have to leave. And moreover, I've gotten all the information I need for my research.
Hey, what about me? Are you going to leave me behind?
What about you?
Yes.
I told you. See, if you're really serious about going with me, then go and pack your things and let's go together. Let's leave. Yes.
I'll do it. I will go and pack my things. I really want to come with you.
You go with me? Are you sure?
Yes, I will.
But what about your people?
I told you I can handle them. It's not a problem.
Are you sure? And they won't say I kidnapped you? I mean, they won't say I forcefully took you with me. That's what I'm saying.
No. I'm the one that decided that I want to follow you to the big city. Nobody is going to say that.
So you go with me?
So, Mr. Peterson, let me go and...
Peterson.
If you can pack my things. See your earrings.
Thank you. Oh! See, I think there's a way God works. The princess says, I must leave this town. Now she wants to go with me. Mr. Peterson, God is working. But this prince does not know me.
Kambili, where are you going to?
I want to visit Nea Chalugo. It's been long I saw her. I really missed her so much.
Oh, Nea Chalugo.
Yes,
she will be happy to see you. Hey, but did you inform your father?
I haven't done that, but I'll do that now.
You have to tell your father first.
I will. I'm going right away to tell him.
He is at the back of the house. Go now and tell him. Oh, Nea Chalugo.
His kingdom is part of this world. Oh my, yes, it's part of this world.
He's not answering now.
Hey, my impetency is not in. Where did you go to? Impetency!
Now who will show them light?
You are going to the big city man's hut, I guess.
And I guess that's where you're coming from.
Save your strength, because he is not at his hut.
It is not your concern. I am going to stay there and wait for him till he returns.
Okay. Feel free to fool yourself.
Fool yourself too, a warfare.
Zuzube. Huh? Iberibe.
I waited for him till nightfall, but he did not come back.
Could it be that he has gone back to the big city?
Without telling us? I don't think so.
It is possible that he got tired of our way of life and decided to leave.
How? How can he get tired of us? What is wrong with us? Besides, he said he loved us. He liked the way we live and he loves our food. Why would he leave without telling us?
I don't think he likes us at all. Maybe he was just pretending. Onimaro.
Pretending? He should just go because who cares?
Hey. You and I know that you care. Oh?
Who? I don't care. I was just trying to be nice to a stranger.
Hey. Who renketa? Who renketa? So, what happens to I saw him first and stay away from him? What happens to that?
And you go promise. What happened to that?
Okay. There's no problem. Pimo. Pitanse. This is not good though. This is not good at all. At least you should have told us. Even if you don't want to tell anybody, you should have told me. You just left like that. Before. You just left us and went to the big city. Okay. Great is Delta. Great is in there.
You're welcome.
You are welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
How is your mother?
Nne. Is Kambili in?
No. She went out. She went to see her grandmother. Yes.
Honestly, I cannot explain that girl's attachment to her grandmother. If you give her a chance, she will stay there.
Of course, she has to stay there. Yes. When has it become a crime for one to love her grandmother?
But I did not say it is a crime.
No.
I shall be on my way now.
My regards to your parents, oh?
It's okay.
Bring your head.
I don't know. Your daughter thinks I don't know why she has gone to stay with your mother.
Why?
I am waiting for her here. She must marry the prince, whether she likes it or not.
No. If she doesn't want to marry the prince, then let her be. Yes. We have to respect her decisions also.
What decision?
Her own decision.
Listen, from all indications, she is incapable of taking any decision.
Is she not an adult?
Who says?
Yeah.
No! Who says?
Yes? Hold on. Are you not tired?
Tired? Hey, tired. Do you know what they call Kulere body?
No.
Everybody means I can never be tired. We keep going. I can never get tired until I get to my destination.
No, me, I'm tired. I can't walk. I need to rest.
Do you want me to back you? Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah! I told you.
We will walk.
Big city man, I want to rest. Please. I want to rest a little. Oh, please.
No problem. So how long are we staying here?
I don't know. I want to rest.
You go room wale. Rest. Okay.
Big city man. I'm thirsty.
Thirsty? You go room wale. Kí la fẹ́ mu? Thirsty. What do you want? Coke or Fanta?
What is that?
Don't worry, we cannot even get Coke or Fanta in this forest, evil forest.
Oh, Mr. Man, must you always be funny?
Sorry. Don't worry, we'll keep moving soon. Okay? Yeah, snake! I'm just joking. So you can feel like this. Let me look around before Amadi or RPM.
You want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Peter Sin, in the one jikere. Peter Sin, in the one quadabe. Peter Sin, in the one jikere. In the one quadabe. Peterson, do your research, you know read all the books, no problems. You know go well. But your love for book, and I see. Your love for story, and I see. Yeah. Do your research, you know read your books, no problem. Write your papers, you know
Hey! It shock you?
Wait. Is this where people going to die?
You want to paint this world. Peterson, you want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Peterson, in the one jikere. Peterson, in the one quadabe. Peterson, in the one jikere. In the one quadabe. Peterson, do your research, you know read all the books, no problems. You know go well. But your love for book, and I see. Your love for story, and I see. Yeah. Do your research, you know read your books, no problem. Write your papers, you know
Where? Big city. Here I come. Big city. Yes, big city. Here I come.
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world, paint my world. Oh my Big dreams on his head. Big dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peterson, You want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peter sing in the one you carry. Peter sing in the one whatever. Peter sing in the one you carry. In the one whatever. Peterson, do your research, you know, read all the books, no problems, you know go well. But your love for book, and not Bakamisi, your love for story, and Bakamisi, yeah. Do your research, you know, read your books, no problem, write your papers, you know,
What? Zara, this is Kambili. Kambili, this is Zara, my sister.
Greetings. Hi. Greetings.
Yes?
Where am I? What is happening? Where is this?
Kambili, calm down. Calm down. This is my house. This is where I live.
Make it brighter. Please make it.
Peterson!
Mom!
You're back!
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Mom, no, I'm not back. You see, the Peterson you're seeing here is the clone version. The real Peterson is back there in Umayasi.
Peterson, please, I don't have energy for your nonsense talks. You brought back a villager? A native.
Mom, are you surprised?
Oh, surprised? I can never be surprised. Because you are full of surprises.
Kambili, this is my mom.
Greetings.
Please, get up. Let's go inside. Come on.
Kambili! Wait! Ah! Kambili, wait! Where are you going? Come on!
Please, I'm begging you. Whatever I've done wrong to you, Peterson, please. Forgive me, Nick. Forgive me. Just take me back to my people. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I wronged you. I'm begging you, please.
Kambili, wait. Come on, you have done nothing wrong. I told you. This is my house. I can never hurt you.
I don't have anything in the board of the gods.
Kambili, I am not a god. I told you. I am not a god. I am immortal just like you.
Peterson, I've never wronged you.
Kambili, see, I will never hurt you, okay? You are fine. You are fine. Stand up. Mom, I'm sorry about that. You know, she's new to...
It's okay. She's a native. I totally understand.
Let's go inside.
Go in.
It's fine. Stop crying. Ah! Zara, Mom.
Peterson.
You are fine.
Did she just say the abode of the gods?
What happened to my brother is the most interesting man I've ever known. This is what you call interesting. Come on, grab the box.
No.
What? Let's go and meet the native. Carry the box.
This is serious.
Don't worry, everything is fine. Welcome home. So, what is it? Come on, Kambili, that is a television. It won't hurt you. Oh yeah, come and touch.
Peterson, don't do this to me.
Come on. Will I lie?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? Come and touch.
He's lying.
Mom! Come on, Mom, you know she's new to the city.
Okay.
Don't mind her. Come and touch.
Peterson, no.
Come and touch.
Native girl, go ahead. Let's have a watch.
What is it?
Follow me.
Mom! Zara! What?
Nne, please.
Come.
Nne.
Trust me now.
Nne,
No, come.
Nne, please.
Come and touch. These are white people. Come on. Touch. You want me to touch first? language and Fruboto, go ahead. Fruboto, go there. Fruboto, you see? They are fumorized. You can give her a hug. I'm okay. Give her a hug.
What is it now? What is she thinking?
Thinking about what?
This is the reason you went to that village. To bring in some strange local girl.
Sir, please. What's wrong with you? Every time you see that girl you're seeing, she's one of the most beautiful and smart girls back in her village.
Back in her village. So send her back.
I should do what?
Send her back. She doesn't belong here.
Like saying one Babalawo don't give you juju and you don't put her for mouth. Oh yeah, come and send her back.
What is wrong with you? Can't you see? This city is too sophisticated for her or her kind to survive.
Jesus, sir, you've not even given her a chance.
Chance to do what?
Someone that just came.
She won't go to
Sir,
work.
Mom! I'll come on.
Come to do what now?
No, leave.
What?
No, please. Sarah started. The kid that was just saying bad things about her.
What do you mean?
Why are you shouting?
What is it?
What is it?
I don't know. Look at the hair.
Sylvia.
Is it the hair? She started shouting first and I joined her.
Okay.
Sylvia, her name is Kamili.
Why is she dressed like this?
Oh, because she's a bush girl from a bush family.
Hey, go, you shut my phone that you go, man.
Just take you over here.
It's fine. It's fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Whatever.
I know what's happening. She is scared of the head and she is scared of the outfit. And I am scared about what is going to go down.
Mom!
Yes.
I am scared.
Really?
What?
How could you bring her home with you?
Babe, come on. I'm just trying to help her achieve her dream of coming to the big city, that's all. Besides, these people are good people, though. Yes. And this is 21st century. You can't just expect them to be completely shut out from the outside world.
Really?
Yes.
Everything you just said now is jargon.
What?
Yes, you still haven't answered my question.
Babe, wait, what questions exactly?
What is she doing here?
I thought I already answered that.
No, you were just telling me a story. Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'm not in the mood to talk.
Are you sleeping with her?
What?
You heard me. Are you?
You know, I actually should have considered that.
Consider
sleeping
what?
with her. I don't get it. I'm just coming back. Babe, you know what? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. You know I didn't mean that, right?
It's fine, but you have to send her away.
Babe, that's not possible. At least not now. It's too sudden.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I am leaving.
What?
When you consider to send her away, call me.
Babe.
Not babe.
Wait, are you serious? Come on, you can't. Babe.
Please, my prince. Please. You. Where could she have gone to? Where? I don't know. Where is Kambili?
She never went to my mother's place.
What? Mazu Zodima.
My prince.
Do I take it that you and your wife are playing games with the crown prince of this land? Is that what it is?
Please, my prince. We are as confused as you are.
Eh?
Yes.
Please. Hey.
Wait, oh, Nai.
Kambili.
Nai, what are you concerned about? Is it the fact that my daughter is missing, Kambili? Or her marriage to the prince?
Both. Fanabo.
Now I know that Kambili ran away because you were forcing her to marry the prince. Let me tell you, if anything should happen to my daughter, if anything happens to Kambili, I will not take it light with you. Prince,
my prince, please.
Please.
I will make sure I find her. My prince.
I don't want to take it that your wife does not have regards for the crown prince of this land. I will do you a favor. I shall not let my father hear what your wife just did. Guards!
Forgive her, please. Why must you say something like this before the prince? Why must you say something like this before the prince?
Okay.
So you did not
are
understand.
not supporting the prince.
Woman, use your head.
You use your head.
Use your head.
Use your own head.
Hey. Why must you say this before the prince?
Paint my words, paint my words. Let's make it brighter. Oh my word, oh my word. Paint my words, paint my words. Make it brighter. Oh my word. Please make it brighter.
Mom, please, can you tell her how to stop?
Must you call me 3 times before you ask for something? And you say I stop looking for trouble.
I'm sorry, Mom. I just couldn't help.
Don't worry, Peter. I cannot continue.
Do you like it?
Oh.
Do you like it? She likes it.
And why is her face like she just tasted shit?
Obviously, she's not used to this kind of food. You should know.
When I call her a bush girl now, you look at me like I stole Christmas.
Let me tell you, our cooking is extraordinary. Our food is one of the things I enjoy the most during my stay. Will you shut up? Every time it's jollof rice. Are we birds?
It's okay. Sometimes.
At least it's tasty. I can't imagine anything she cooks to be edible.
It's okay. No talking at the table.
I'll cook jollof rice in your husband's house.
That's a bit.
Well, that's the type of chicken we have here.
You like it?
Peterson says you cook very well.
I try very well. I cook for him now.
Yes.
When he comes to my village.
I love it.
Maybe tomorrow you'll cook something really tasty for us to eat, right?
Mom!
Are you serious, Mom?
Yes.
Thank you.
Really, Mom?
Really?
She will. I will take her to the local market to get everything she needs.
Yeah, I will cook for you.
And I promise you people, anything she cooks is going to be a disaster.
Make sure there. I'll put this thing in your eyes.
To my eyes.
Hey!
Use the food. Mom, she's not used to you know.
I prefer my hand. This one will give me problem.
You
buy another one for me.
Yeah, I'll buy it.
No, it's what I prepare.
Take water.
You can have the bananas.
Pour you some drink. Yeah. Alright. Take.
What type of drink is this?
Don't worry, when you taste it, you know. Okay, so cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is how you cheer. Aha. Oh yeah, drink.
Okay. Cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you like it? Why do math like this? You don't like it? It's not nice.
I don't like it.
See the way she do mouth.
I don't like it. Hey, I never believed in my widest imagination that there is a place as beautiful as this.
This?
This city is beautiful.
Ah, hey, beauty. Ah, this one you see, this one you see is just small. See, if I take you outside, if I take you maybe to Davido's house, if you go to Tiwa Savage, if you go to Don Jazzy's, don't worry, I will take. You know what? Calm down, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I'm coming. You just wait. Hey.
Big city man. Your house is fine, no?
Yeah.
Okay, you
know what? Take. I want you to wear one of those to the market tomorrow.
What is this? I don't understand, eh? What happens to my wrapper?
No. Nothing is wrong with your wrapper. Come on. Hey. See, I love your wrapper. You know what? Stand up. Stand up. Just stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Oluwa. What down the big city. Yeah. Turn around. Who will see this rapper? Who won't like this rapper? Oh, sit down. Sit down. Hey, who will see this rapper? Who like? In fact, I'm very scared. That if I take you to the market tomorrow, if they see you, well, you know what? I'm rest assured. You don't have a phone, so nobody will collect your number.
I don't have a problem with what I'm wearing. I'm very, very okay.
I love what you are wearing.
Big city man, I was going to ask you this.
What's that?
Who was that girl that saw me and screamed?
You mean Sylvia? My bad, I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you. That's my fiancée.
I don't understand. What do you mean by fiancé?
My fiancée, the person I plan to marry.
You want to marry her?
Is there any problem? Is everything okay? Are you fine?
Everything okay.
Are you sure? Smile for me and drink. See, I need to take you out. You need to see places. Don't worry. You enjoy the big city. You know I promised you. Come on, smile and drink. Come on.
Big city man, I was going to ask you this.
What's that?
Who was that girl that saw me and screamed?
You mean Sylvia? My bad, I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you. That's my fiancée.
I don't understand. What do you mean by fiancé?
My fiancée, the person I plan to marry.
You want to marry her?
Is there any problem?
Kamdili.
Ne.
I thought you were going out with Peterson to the market.
Yes, Ne.
Well, I hope you're not going to go there dressed like that. Peterson tied the wrapper for you. There's no way you will go out dressed like this.
And what if she is? Just like the men of Umayas.
What's going on here? What kind of madness is this?
Mom, this is not madness, Mom. I've always been a fan of people who are comfortable in their skin.
Well, are you comfortable in what you're wearing?
Of course, Mom. I'm seeing me. I'm not fine. Hey, Mom. Hello.
Are you okay?
Mom, I'm okay. See, I wouldn't have known if I didn't try this, you know.
Your people do not dress this way. Alright? Yoruba people don't dress like this.
Mom.
So don't embarrass your tribe.
Mom, stop saying this. Because my father is Yoruba. Married to an Igbo woman. Mom, that makes me Igbo too now.
Babe, it suits him. It suits him. Are you Indian too?
Kamili. Kaipo. Mommy, he's shouting. Kaipo.
Come back here. Mommy. Where do you think you're going?
Singapore.
Peterson. Peterson, who is it?
Mommy, I'm coming back.
Paint my world, paint my world. Let's make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter. Paint my world, paint my world. Oh my world, oh my world, oh my world. Peter sing, Peter sing, Peter sing, Peter sing. Biggie big dreams on his head. Biggie biggie dreams on his head. She went to paint this world. Peter sing brighter. Paint my world. Paint my world. Oh my world. Oh my world. Oh my world. Peter sing. Peter sing.
This is not the household. This is a car.
But it's easy now.
What?
Easy, no. Easy. If it is no now, you want to die. Oh, but easy.
What is it now?
Stop, I want to calm down. I want to calm down. What are you doing?
Don't worry, you're fine. You're fine. Can't believe, calm down. Everything is fine, okay? Let me make a U-turn now.
Oh, come see Joe. Oh, come see Joe. I'm a big city. Oh, come see Joe. I'm a big city.
Can't believe you are fine. Trust me. Okay? We're almost at the market as well. What's that?
This car. Don't know.
What happened to the car?
Is part of this world. Timid people, backward people, uncivilized people, Maya seeking some. Now who we show them light? Yeah. Now who we open their eyes? Who's gonna give them sense of belonging? These are children of Umaya's kingdom.
Oh yeah, sell meat like 1.5. Make plenty well. The one we say go shop from today till like next year. This one big though.
No, this one is.
Oh yeah, now you get that goat. How much did that goat meat? Why the leg be like say na accident kill am? Now kill that goat. What are you doing in the city?
I've been looking for you everywhere. How come nobody knows you here?
Oh, we're in the big city now. Do you know how many people live here?
Okay, what are all these big bags that I'm seeing? What are they?
We are in the market. We came to buy meat. You can see.
Hi. Kambili. So it was all your plan. You told us that you were going to see your grandmother. Now look at where you are. You run away with the big city man.
What salary?
Eh?
It's your business.
If you're not you're very stupid.
Hey,
Are you not very stupid? You're very stupid. You're foolish. You're foolish too. Don't come close to my big city man. Very stupid.
It's okay.
You see your husband?
I will
beat you. Are you mad? Something wrong with Mr. Man.
Oh yeah.
What? What is
why?
I will kill you. I will kill you. I will kill you. I will beat you. I will slap her. I will scatter for you. Let's go.
Madam, come out there! Oh yeah, at the last bus stop it is. Your money? Take it.
Give me money, what do we do? What's this one now? Madam, give me money, you are giving me carry. What's the meaning of this now?
I gave you money now.
Is this your money?
This is money. Only money. Is this not money? And I even told you to take me to BTC, the big city man house. You are bringing me here.
Which one is the BTC, the city man? You said you are going to the city. Is this one not city? This is a bus stop. You can find your way out from here. You are telling me in BTC. What's my business with BTC?
Bus stop.
Bus stop now, yes now.
Take me to BTC's house.
See, respect yourself, but what's the meaning of this now?
Stop calling me madman. My name is Ulima Ikebilo from Umanyasi Kingdom, Joesel. Ulima Salani. If you try to stop me again,
Come on, respect yourself. You Ulima or whatever they call you. Give me my money, that is what I'm after. Just give me my money and go your way. What's the problem now?
It's like your mother did not teach you how to respect women.
Hey!
You will beat me! I am Ulima! You will beat me!
I came into this town before you. I came into this big city before you. A pretender, that's what you are. Can't believe you pretend bro. Kiwa, Ure, Iwonyara. Oh, you came all the way from Umungasi to come to this place to call me names. You are very stupid. You are very stupid. You are foolish. You are foolish.
Ladies.
Stupid girl.
Ladies. Why are you doing this?
I'm not ladies. I'm not ladies.
Alright. Sorry. Hey, alright, sorry, oh beautiful ladies. Sorry, okay. Beautiful maidens of Umanyasi Kingdom. Please, can you just let me concentrate?
What do we call this? An invasion of our beloved city by bush maidens.
What are you talking about?
What is this thing you're talking into your ear now? It is called their phone. It's the body when came.
What?
Sorry, I wasn't talking to you. Yes.
A girl dressed like Kambili has been spotted at the park near Maryland. Apparently, she attacked the driver and the conductor and is currently pouncing on them.
Where are you?
I'm home.
And where did you get that?
It's all over social media. In fact, Tunde had not just posted it on Instagram. Not just that, someone just commented that another girl of her kind has been spotted near the market, looking confused and lost. You know what? Why don't you log in on Facebook and see things for yourself?
Paint my world. Paint my world. Make it brighter.
Oh, wait, Horogi!
Let's make it brighter. Paint my world.
What are you
Paint
doing
my
again?
world.
Achiamo!
Peter sing, Peter sing. Peter sing, Peter sing. Big dreams on his head. Big dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peter sing. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peter sing in the one jikere. Peter sing in the one quadabe. Peter sing in the one jikere. In the one quadabe.
You know what? You guys should just stay in I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. No fight, oh. I don't want to come back and see.
Not be fight.
I said I'm coming.
It's not fight. I will beat her.
But your love for book and Bakamisi. Your love for story and Bakamisi. Yeah. Do your research, you know. Read your books, no problem. Write your papers, you know.
Ura, if you try me, in Ura, I will beat you. I will beat you. You know me? Try me. You have the mind to leave the village to come here, to come and drag. When we get to the water, I'll answer you that question. Charukairi to na mota. Charukairi to no bala.
Wait, bro, stop it. You can't fight me. You want to fight me? Come make her fight me now. What happened? Wait. Why are you fighting him, man? Why are you fighting him?
He's a madman. He's there.
Why they call you Ekpe? Give me my money. Leave this to me. Take your money, my friend, forget that thing. Let's go, Daddy. Where's the bag? Forget this thing. No, if you come meet me now. If I come meet me, come. You see that? When I call you, let's go.
Make it brighter. Please make it brighter. Paint my world. Paint my world. Oh my world. Oh my world. Peter sing. Peter sing. Big dreams on his head. Big dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peter sing. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peter sing in the one jikere. Peter sing in the one quadabe. Peter sing in the one jikere. In the one quadabe. Peterson. Do your research, you know. Hey! The books, no problems. You know go but you're not for me. Your love for story and what can we see?
Family want them.
Please.
Hey!
It's okay.
This is even I'm disappointed though. Why are you always picking everybody? Everybody you see, you just pick.
I think it was one.
What did I do?
This looks like a demon straight from the pit of hell.
You can say that again.
Oh, give me the... Lucian. This one looks like someone that just came out of the bush.
He just said it. They just came out from the bush and your son might be the king.
My son?
Of course, your son.
Welcome to Umayasi Kingdom.
Okay, this is really an invasion.
Shut up your mouth. Welcome to Umayasi Kingdom in the big city.
Wow. Hey! Dad, we saw it.
Girls, come on. Girls, come on.
This is a team. Can sit here. I'll come. Yeah, I'll come.
Yeah,
Peterson. What's the meaning of this? I don't understand. Can you explain, please?
Mom, it's a long story.
Oh, really? A long story? Of course it has to be a long story, considering what is happening. Now you are a writer. Can you please summarize the long story so we know exactly what's going on?
Mom, see, even if I summarize it all long, it will still be a long story. I know what I'm saying.
I am waiting. Oh. Go ahead and tell this long story.
Mom.
Now, listen, I am not joking.
Mom?
Yes.
Can you just say this? Sylvia just sent it.
What is that?
Mom, let me see now.
Come on.
Give me my phone.
Let me see, Joe.
See what?
Let me see.
See, you're not seeing anything.
Oh yeah, please. Oh yeah, please. Please now.
Who is there?
What?
Come in.
Come in.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Bro.
I'm not fine. Please, you need to talk to your friend. Please.
Bro, how far? Look at how you were dressed. What did they have?
Guy, I beg.
Guy. You know what they have for social media right now? Are you the rain?
Young man, I think you should talk to your friend. All right? I have tried talking to him and he's not listening. But maybe when you people talk to him, he would listen.
Yes, please do. If possible, help me reset it button. Give me my phone.
Bro.
Fun now. What's up with you?
See, guy, I beg. Everybody do their lane, I beg.
It's Christmas.
Hey!
This is what I call beauty. Bro!
Hey.
Where you carry all these fishes from? I don't understand.
Did you call us fish?
Yes, I am sorry. Guys, waiting now. What's happening now? Not be me now, call look for. What's concern now with people waiting at the sea?
We came to look for you. You and who? We came to see you for what now? It's today your birthday.
I beg you,
just sit down there. Let me.
Hey! Oh yeah, Milk, go. Hey!
Bro, this is my spec. I can feel it. Like.
Oh yeah, where would they go? Bye bye. I go knock this for you. Come, where would they go, John? Wait. I go. Tell me, take. Oh yeah, bye bye. Bye, my fuck, come on. Bye. Come on. Yeah. Come on, John. This is. All right. I'll totally see you guys. I'm going. Yeah, sure.
Hi, that's Brunane. What's TV? What's in fish? Television.
Can you shut up and listen? Can you? Oh no. You need to shut up because I am done listening to you. You always find a way to take control in every argument. But you know what? I will not let you do this time. And I'll call you. You deceived us. How could you? I did not deceive you people. We deceived ourselves. The truth is that we tried to outsmart one another, which was very wrong. I take full responsibility of that, but that is the truth. You asked us to let him make his choice. And same you is busy throwing yourself at him. Why are you forcing him to like you? I never threw myself at him. Yes, I liked him. That is the truth. And I thought he liked me too. Not knowing that he already has someone he's going to get married to. Eh? What did you just say? Yes. The truth is that I have been thinking. I've been thinking. We are not commodities kept in the market for men to go and pick anytime they want. We are not goods kept at a particular place for men to go and make their choices. We are not. We are more beautiful and smarter than all these things happening. Honestly, I have come to realize that we are better, stronger and happier together. Yes, I was really selfish because I really liked him. But I have come to also realize that my happiness lies with you. I cannot be happy while you people are not. My sisters, I think it's time we stopped all this. It's time we stopped this quarrel, fight. Because you know one thing? United we stand, divided we fall. I really miss us. Me too. I miss us. And because we are here, we can make it better. Yes, because we're here. I'm sorry. My sisters, I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. It's okay. I have erred. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I deceived you. It's okay. It's okay. I love you. I love you. I love you.
And we love you too.
Peterson! What the hell is this? What the hell is this?
Babe, come on. Babe, see, it's not what you think, believe me.
Believe you? Believe you that what? That you went and brought him some bunch of girls from nowhere?
Come on, babe, that's not nice of you to say now, they are human beings like you and I, come on.
How could you? How could you stoop so low? Wait, is that how low you could stoop?
Babe, see.
Am I not good enough for you?
Babe, listen to me.
Hey, you listen to me! You see this junk we call a relationship? It's over!
Babe! 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 Come on, babe. Come on. Don't do this for us. Come on.
Us? You never thought about us when you went back on your adventure. You never thought about us when you brought in a bag of bush girls, showing them your affection. Don't you dare talk about us because you never meant well for a relationship.
Hey, please. Big city woman, please calm down. We really love you. Listen to our plea. We wouldn't want you to leave the relationship you've had for years because of us. It's really not worth it. Please, don't leave him. Mr. Mpetensi is a very good man. You don't have to leave him, please.
Please, we are truly sorry for whatever our presence might have cost you. Please forgive us.
We just wanted to know what the big city looks like. All our lives, we've stayed in our land without knowing the knowledge of the outside world. But Big City Man has helped us actualize that dream. Please don't be angry. Here is me, Big City, where? I'll be back when they leave.
Babe. Sylvia.
Please. He's sorry.
It's fine. You've done nothing to be sorry for.
We really love you. Listen to our plea. We wouldn't want you to leave the relationship you've had for years because of us. It's really not worth it. Please, don't leave him. Mr. Mpetensi is a very good man. You don't have to leave him, please.
Where are the girls?
Still sleeping, I guess.
Still sleeping.
Come! Where are you going?
I'm going to check on them, Mom. I'm coming.
I can't believe this.
They are not kids, you know.
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world. Paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter. Oh my world. Please make it brighter.
What again?
Mom, they are not in their room.
What do you mean they are not in their room?
Oh, maybe they realized they don't belong here and decided to go back to their bush for settlement.
Are you okay?
Peterson! Peterson! They're not kids, are they? Oh, it's their gods.
Biggie, biggie dreams on his head. Say you want to paint this world. Peterson, you want to change their story. You want to change their story. You want to change their story. Yeah. Peterson, in the one you carry. Peterson, in the one Peterson, in the one you carry. Umaya say kingdom. Umaya say kingdom. His kingdom is part of this world. Paint my world, paints my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, oh my world, paints my world.
Just in case you don't know, I've always wanted to do that. But I've been scared of what people might say. But right now, I don't care. It is you I want, Kambili. I love you.
You cannot want me. Eh? You cannot. Saliva is there for you, you know. Not me. Why are you laughing?
Which one is Saliva? Her name is Sylvia. You know what? I don't even care what you call her. Kambili, it is you I want. I swear. Kambili, please.
No, I cannot. Uli. Ure. Let us go.
Hey, Bamba.
Where do you know that you are going? This is the big city. You will get lost.
Don't go anywhere. This is what you've always wanted. Please go for it.
I can only do what makes you happy. I cannot be with him while you are angry with me.
Who said we are not happy? Oh. If he will make you happy, then we are happy.
Kambili, he wants you and you want him.
Are you sure about this? Because me, I don't want to fight with either of you again because of Mr. Mpitinsi.
Nobody's going to fight you. You have our full support.
Nobody's fighting you.
Please.
So go with him if you love him.
I hope we are not going to look for them.
No way. There's no way Peterson would bring those girls back to this house.
Okay. What's the meaning of this?
Sylvia!
Mom, let's just say this is the beginning of a beautiful thing.
Peterson, get these bush girls out of this house this minute.
Paint my world, paint my world. Please make it brighter. Oh my world, paint my world, paint my world. Make it brighter.
Don't humor me. If you know what you have done to my son, better undo it. Else, you would not like what I would do to you. Listen, go back to the bush or village where you came from. Mom. And don't ever come back to this house.
Mom, please, can you just stop?
What?
Mom, can I talk to you? Mom, come. Can I talk to you? Mom.
What?
I'm in love with Camille and she's the woman I want to marry. What?
I want to tell you something.
What's it?
It's about your mother. I do not want to be the problem between you two. I think you should listen to her.
Wait, come on. Are we still on this matter? I told you, forget my mother. She's not the case here. Okay? Is it not my mother? Forget, she'll come around with time. Come on. Hey, Hello. You're not in the village, oh. So everything I'm saying here, just, you know what? Follow my lead, okay? In the village, you people showed me around. But now you're in the city, I want to take you out. My friends are outside. Are you ready? Let's go out. Let's go and drink. I am not drinking palm wine. Or what you're taking is alcohol. I want you to drink so that by the time you're walking back here, you walk with your head like this.
You want us to drink alcohol?
Eh?
What do you mean by alcohol?
You don't know alcohol?
I don't know what is alcohol.
You said we'll use our head to walk. No, me, I don't want to use my head to walk. I will use my leg.
Forget that one! Let's go! My baby. Mama Lita. Alright, let's go, girls. Come on. Wait, is that PTC? It's Peterson.
Be happy. Love is a strong emotion that you can't control. Nobody really decides on whom to fall in love with. I remember when I was much younger, I promised myself I would never have anything to do with the Yoruba tribe. You know what we used to call them and still call them? Ndiofemman. But here I am today, married to one and happily married too.
What about Sylvia?
Sylvia, your great friend, I know how you feel, but she'll get by. Sylvia is a pretty woman, and I'm sure that soon she will meet someone that will sweep her off her feet. So don't worry about Sylvia. Just be happy for your brother, okay? Here comes the bride and the groom.
Just start your son now. He doesn't like that.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.